Hey friends, if you wish to change notification sounds on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, search for sounds in the Windows search bar and click on change system sounds. Now, change this sound scheme to Windows default. Don't keep it to no sounds. After this, you will have to scroll down and check it for notifications. It is here. I mean, this list is in alphabetical order, so it will be easy to find. Now the default sound is a Windows notify system generic sound. You can change it to whatever you want. Okay, like for example, you can change it to Windows minimize. You can change it to whatever you like. Okay, ring 7 or whatever, and you can test it here to make sure that you have the right sound. Once this is done, you can click on apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.